Hello from Wolf Rigs. It's an exciting day. I have been wanting a good welding helmet forever, and everyone seems to have their own idea of what's what, and oh, this is the best, this is the best, that. And I've never really had like a professional welder tell me like, hey, this is the mask I use. So I wanted one that had been reviewed that way. And Steve Darnell with Welder Up, this is actually the helmet he uses at his shop. So I ordered it, and am very excited to get it. Very, very excited. So here we go. I'm actually opening it right here on this video. It's the ESAB Sentinel A50. So I ordered this thing on Amazon. It wasn't cheap. I'm not gonna say how much it was, but it was not cheap. But oh, I was told it was worth every penny. So this is the helmet. Very cool. Oh, very happy. So one thing about helmets, you can get one that's cheap. You can get one that doesn't really block a whole lot of light coming in, and you can get one that's overly expensive. So there's a lot to unpack here. I've got a book on how to use this thing, so it's quite extensive. But I love also the quick guide of, just give me the idiot's version of how to get this thing to work. So I'm gonna put the batteries in, put some of the plates in, and take some of the wrapping off, and then make another video. This helmet is amazing. I've set the presets on it. I kind of got it where I wanted it to be. And one thing I realized as I was putting it all together, that I gotta have a shoot single decal on it, because it wouldn't be the same. I've got my Wolf Rigs decals coming, and I'll be putting those on here as soon as they come next week from DC Decals up in Canada. That was a video that Badge did a while back. That's how I got these here. So I'm gonna put this on. Boom. Right there. This is the logo that my friend Toggy made for me years ago for a shoot single. So anyway, all right, so welding helmet's all ready to go. With all the presets are done, I'm gonna get the welder out, and we're gonna test it out, have some fun. One of the reasons I got this helmet was that it has a grind mode where it has a little button right over here that I can push, and it allows me to keep my helmet on to be able to, just have it protecting my face for grinding. I like it. It's really nice. Move the shade down just a little bit more. I like to be able to see things. Like it a lot. I was told I needed to do a wrap-up on the helmet. So yesterday I did some welding with the helmet, and love it. It is the ESAB Sentinel A50. I thought I called it something else. Anyway, so great helmet. The reason I bought this thing, and it was rather spendy, and you can see the quality of it. The quality of it is just, the other helmets that I've used, just you can't compare the two. And another nice thing that I like is that I've got this button up here that I can just push grind on, whereas when I'm welding, I don't have to lift my helmet up. I can literally just push the button and just go to grinding, and I don't have to take my helmet off to do the grinding. So really like that. Also, I love the digital display inside. It's kind of fancy, and which you spend the kind of money that you did on this helmet, it needs to be fancy. So really impressed with it. I'm getting a little bit older, and my eyesight's getting a little bit worse, and I'm getting glasses this next week. But with my other helmets, I was having a hard time seeing the pool. And anybody who's welded any particular amount of time, you need to be able to see what you're actually welding and well to make a good weld. To be able to see the line, especially that you're supposed to be welding on. I had a few times where my weld would go and off of the wrong way, so that was not a good thing. Anyway, I'm off to do some welding. I know you see Mr. Wolf back here in the background. It's missing its front end. It is getting a bumper that I'm going to fabricate. Today's Saturday, so I was going to work with my daughters here in the shop today with me. We're going to grab some lunch. We're going to come back and probably fab up a bumper. But we're also got the E350, the Thompson build that does the full build. I got the subfloor in, it's all done. And you can see the rack I did up top is for the solar, and we did a rack on the back, but that'll be another video that I do on that. We'll give an update as far as that build and what's going on there. But for now, goodbye from Wolf Rigs.